Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix the 3D X9 underscore 35.dll not found or missing error on your computer. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step, what I suggest you to do here is to simply restart your computer, and for some people it fixed their problem. Just simply restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to install latest version of Microsoft DirectX. And to do so, you just need to open a browser. Then you need to just write DirectX and user runtime and select this option here and download setup by pressing download and selecting language. Then you should see something similar to this and just install normally. Press I accept the agreement and then deselect this and hit next and restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, in a lot of ways, it's when you try to launch the app or game. So for example, if you try to launch the game, just open up your game client, for me Steam, library, find the game, right click on it, go to properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. And maybe your game files is corrupted. And if it's not the case, then hit browse, or just simply on shortcut write the game and right click and open file location. Find the exe file, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure these two options is not selected, right? And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then I highly advise you just reinstall the game or app. Just go to installed apps, then find the game or app on the list, press on the burger menu, press on install and reinstall again. And if it's not working, then open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, go run as admin, and then you just need to write here cfc /scan now, one word, and hit enter. What it does, it will check all your computer files, and if they find some corrupted files after verification process is completed, they will fix all your corrupted files after you restart your computer, right? And if it's not the case, then the last thing that is suggested to do here is to update your operating system and your GPU drivers. And to do so, first operating system, so you just need to open up search, go to settings, then on settings tab, you just need to go to Windows Update, and then here should be check for updates button and or install updates button. Do that, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers as well, depending on what GPU you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app called GeForce Experience. So just I need to open up app, go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for me that I need to download and install it, I can easily do that through GeForce Experience. If you're using EMD, I believe there is CMD Radiant to that, similar app to GeForce Experience, or simply you can just open up Device Manager, and on Device Manager, you can just expand display adapters option here, then right click on NVIDIA your GPU, update driver, and search automatically for drivers and install them if there is some. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.